Hello everyone, my name is Joy and welcome to my channel. Today we are in the mountains surrounded by nature, and I want us to make use of this intention and this energy to move in ways we never allow ourselves to move, or in planes that we usually don't move in. First, let's start at the top of our mat. We will do 2 rounds of sun salutation as a form of warm-up before going into the poses. Bring your palms to heart center. As you inhale, raise your arms up and give yourself a little bit of back bend. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Inhale, knee, chest, chin. Exhale, cobra. Inhale, downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs if this is your first downward facing dog of the day. Stay in stillness. Exhale, bring your right leg forward. Inhale, left leg forward, forward bend. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, come back to center. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, right leg back. Left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Inhale, knee, chest, chin. Exhale, cobra or upward dog. Inhale, downward facing dog. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, back bend. And come back to center. Be in mountain pose. Take a few moments to slow down your breathing here. Now inhale, raise your right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, bend towards your left side. Let your left hand slide down your left thigh. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, release your arms. Now on to the left side. Inhale, raise your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, bend towards your right side. These are planes we usually don't move in, and they are stretching parts of our body we usually don't stretch. Breathe normally and just enjoy being in the posture. Inhale, come back up to center. Exhale, release your arms. Now open up your feet about 1 meter apart. Raise your arms up horizontally and then bend towards the right side. So once you're done bending, with your hands still straight, face both palms towards the front, as if you're opening up like a starfish. Be still, be steady, like the mountains. Continue breathing normally. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, let's bend towards the left side. You choose to face forward or look up towards your right fingertips. Continue breathing normally and be strong and steady like the mountains. Inhale, come back up to horizontal. Raise your arms up further towards the sky. Exhale, bend forward. Place your palms on the mat. Bring your left arm up towards the sky. Look towards your left fingertips. If that's okay to you, you may shift your right fingertips slightly towards your left ankle. Continue breathing normally. Inhale, come back to center. Take a few moments to shake out your knees here. Now, open up on the right side by raising your right arm up towards the sky and look up towards your right fingertips. If that's possible for you, you may choose to shift your left fingertips towards your right ankle. Be strong, be still, be present, and breathe normally. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, slowly come up towards the top and release your arms. Now bring your legs back to center. Face towards the side of your mat. Or the other side. Now raise your arms up towards the ceiling and fall forward as much as you can. You may give your knees a slight bend to try to bring your tummy towards your thigh as close as possible. You may hold on to your ankle to press your body closer towards your thigh. Stay here, be still, be steady, be strong like the mountains. Continue breathing normally. Inhale, come back up all the way, raising your arms to the sky, and exhale, bring your arms down. Now we shall do a bit of a counter pose, back bend to counter the forward bend that we just did. Inhale, place your palms, your hands around your waist, your hip area, your waist area. And bring your elbows as close to one another as possible. Exhale, give yourself a little bit of back bend. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release your arms. Now just be in mountain pose for a few moments. Slow down your breath here. Listen to the sounds of nature. Feel the surrounding air from nature. And allow yourself to just arrive. Be still. Be steady. Like the mountains. When you're ready, bring your palms together, rub them to create some warmth. Place them on your eyes to give your eyes a little bit of massage. Bring your palms to heart center. Blink open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you for being present with me today. I hope you enjoy the movement in planes that we usually don't move in. If there's any other sequences you'd like to see, feel free to comment in the comment box below. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.